Here's a noise issue I'm having on my mid-2011 27-inch iMac. When the display kicks on out of screensaver, a rattling like a fan noise can be heard. And it can get pretty loud at times. Whenever I put it back into screensaver though, the noise goes away completely. At first I thought it was one of the three cooling fans, the hard drive fan or the optical drive fan or the CPU fan, but when I adjust those with smcFanControl, they can ramp up completely or spool back down and it doesn't affect the noise at all. The only thing that affects the noise is putting it back into screensaver mode.